What's up, guys? So you don't know, it's your girl Shakaberry here in the building. So a new movie has dropped. You understand me, guys? So I want you to watch the movie here. I want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So as you can see, the name of the movie is The Big Secret. So you don't know, you say, no, guys, we are living in a world that is full of jealousy, bad mind, envy, wickedness, and darkness. We're living in a world right now, guys, where you can't trust nobody. You can't put your trust in a nobody. You can't put your trust in a friends. You can't put your trust in a family. You can't put your trust in a neighbors. The only person you can trust is yourself. And sometimes you can't even trust yourself neither. Because sometimes you can't trust yourself, and when you look, you're going to give some people your love who don't even deserve your love. You're going to give some people your heart who don't deserve your heart. You cry for people who don't deserve no tears or shred from you. So you can't put your trust in a nobody. So guys, I want you to make sure say you watch the full video here. I want you to make sure say you learn something from this movie, because as you see, and as all of my loyal supporters know, every movie that I do is for persons out there who can relate to things that I post, or it's a life lesson movie that I post. So I want you guys to enjoy the movie. I want you to also like, comment, share, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend, because this is a life lesson movie, and I know that there's a lot of persons out there right now who can relate to this story that I am posting. So guys, thanks to all of my loyal supporters, them who know so them come out to me and who ensure so them show them real love and them genuine love towards me. You understand me, guys? Me really appreciate you. I want you to make sure say whenever you watch the movie, guys, I don't want you to only watch, guys. I realize that there's a lot of persons watching the movie, but you not really comment. Guys, I want you to comment and tell me your honest opinion what you think about the movie. Comment and say this is a good movie. Comment and say thank you for a new movie, or comment and tell me if you have story ideas, you can reach out to me and tell me story ideas. Guys, I want you to run over to my Instagram page also. I want you to follow my Instagram page. I want you to follow my TikTok page. And I want you to also subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching the movie but you guys are not subscribing. So I need you guys to turn on your post notification bell and subscribe, because when you don't know, so the girl Shakaberry I give you nice things. And as you can see, remember saying a long time back then me used to consistent, but remember say almost 3 years me never did a post no movie final, guys. I wait in a 2023 me did post one look a short film, but now guys, me I give you no movie, me I give you no entertainment, me I make you no laugh, me I have life lessons, me I post a movie where a lot of people can relate to. So guys, be nice and comment and like and share. Show us so you enjoy the movie. Show us so you like the movie. Show us say I want a good movie. You understand me, guys? Because listen, remember saying guys, I love and appreciate you guys, because if I never nobody who near see my channel, me only be able to post, because me that post and they say boy nobody now watch you, so me now go post. Guys, me also want to comment, guys. Me know so the movie nice, so me can say yeah man, the people them like this movie. Yeah. So whenever you watch a movie, guys, comment down below, like up the video. Me no want to know all you watch and enjoy the movie and comment. Give us something like we know Sonia enjoy the movie. Me know you enjoy the movie because we are post life lesson movies. So guys, as me say, the video will be up next. Me know say me a chat a lot, but me know say me love you. And I know so this is the only way me can connect to most of my YouTube fans them, because you don't follow me on the social media them. But guys, listen, I love and appreciate you guys. I want to make sure so when the movie come up, guys, now watch the movie and enjoy the movie, because we know so the movie them nice, and we know so I love the movie them. Can imagine you coming from work and you want some nice Jamaican movie to watch. You can run go over Shakaberry Madness and turn on your post notification, subscribe and turn on your post notification bell and watch a nice clean movie, guys. Yeah. Some want me to also comment, because all of the nice movie them there right at the Shakaberry Madness, Richard Brown Films, Jamaican Nation, Paradise Nation, PFM Films, and all over. So make sure Sonia do the right thing. And make sure Sonia run go over Paradise Nation. The movie is called Where is Susie? Guys, me tell you say me a dance from pool and me a go on with a bag of things. So I want you to run go over there right now and go watch me. I was a mad girl. And me come off of the street and gone pan pool gone down. So me need to run go over Paradise Nation right now. Go check out the bad movie. So guys, the movie is coming up. Stay tuned. Love you all and enjoy.
Copy that. What? You don't never see a people to get things with you.
You see what?
Yeah. Hey, you pick me up, you're dead for young and you want something for it. So tell me where you go there.
Listen me now, my girl, me tired to tell us I'm not no money. You see me? Look how much money I open up the crutches too. Remember say you say you want Pitney, you know? I never mean, you know? You never know some money. Pitney I want money. You never know all of that.
Yeah. So, you know what? Keep your money and go on. Remember me, I tell you. Make sure so when she big, you can come to her, you know?
I'm mad, man.
Alright.
You never know what Pitney want money.
Go on, man, go on.
When I open up the crutches and tell me to breathe. My girl, go on there, go man. Nothing now go on, you know?
Shaka!
Wow.
Today I get a walk on.
Sit down. You look so stressed out.
Listen, me can't tell you. How are you? You say, you know something just go bad with the dirty boy. Them say put in clothes. You want pampers or something. I say, cause what do you know? My horse is burned down.
Me hear about it, girl. And me say me a try get to you want to your phone.
You want new brand phone, my buy you
So you not give me my number, me a call you, can me get one money and me say me hear
you
what
say
happen.
everything burned down in my house,
My
everything.
God. I mean, you know, so you just have a baby. And me a tell
And
you
then me I go up and look at dirty boy, if you go tell him say, the baby want things.
say,
He might come tell me about how much, and me say me want pick me.
So when he did a give Pitney, he never know a dirty boy make him go from you.
You know what, him good man. Him
Me
good.
tell all the say if you left his dirty boy alone and not breathe feel, so you allow yourself to breathe.
Me alright, man. Make him just go. Just know some me and you a good friend long
Yeah,
time,
me
man.
a friend.
Anything we out there same way, and
Yeah.
we are look out through.
So where baby there?
Him down a yard.
Or in down grandmother?
I don't get me a go and stay for me.
And me when we collect one money, so when we collect your money, me come give you some more time.
Alright.
And me know you have it hard.
You know what? Me a go down here so car. Baby supposed to want to one thing and get something.
Yeah, man.
So look a bit.
Yeah,
Give me back your number.
Yeah. See there.
Alright, we short, yeah.
Later, take care of yourself and nobody stress yourself too much.
Alright.
My God. So she lucky, yeah? I call Puppy than anyways. I don't know, so if I give me money, I tell him say if he choose and he let her go. But the girl I feel like you keep him man, you breathe for him and for and not fear him. Because Puppy, Wambi, you can't come link me. Your man come link me I know. So guess what? You don't know what say. The idiot girl. Yes, come up on me yard a while ago. You mean who me attack? You want where you breed dirty boy, where you breed girl for no one mind pick me. Rachel me attack. Yes. Come up on me yard a same house bun down and something and rated tea and something. If you give her money still, you know, not because me a yard dealer and me and her a friend, but you know we all a human being and everybody have feelings. If you give her money, man, remember say I fear pitney, you know, man. You see me, I fear blood, you know, man. And if you know say you never want no pitney, you shouldn't breed her. Give her money, man. But yo, you can't make sure know say me and you link, you know, brother. You can't make sure know say me and you link, you know say me and her a friend, but you don't know say you have money and rate it. Me can't make sure I get the whole lot of money. I want some my money too. So you know we can do look something on the side and we collect up a little money and something. You say somebody are coming now. Alright. You know she feel like you know. You know some million work up here but sun too hot to make this time play two game.
Link shaka with the berry and now I might be a bit that you know. Go on. Yeah, and feel good man. Oh, go on now.
You get here, you know.
Where say girl come down here and listen?
You say girl come down here saying house bun down and the baby hungry and in and nothing to give baby feet and them a search to give baby something to give baby. You know see how wicked do you can't give her money and I tell you already on the phone.
That's true still but you know say me have to give you money to do you know.
You know say me come first, nobody never tell her to breathe. Yeah man I ride open up her foot and breathe for man.
Same, so me I tell him because she said she didn't want baby. Me didn't even ready.
But you want baby, she don't mind baby.
So me give her baby. Like she never know say baby come with money.
No must say you want to hold you. You don't know say no man not have no man.
You all of my money I forget money, you know?
Yeah. You have money man you know man. Like, you know say you're jealous.
You want me differently in idea?
There. So she gone in her yard, you know, me no two one. Your sister never pass and look over and me two one them pass and see me. But right now, me I say you know you think already and something. I say I want to go one party, you know. And I want to me here so I say you could send some money in my account.
You know, so I have to go down a bank door.
Yeah man, you don't say once I send the money, I want to me here or something.
So a later party?
Yeah, no me and you go. You don't want to come?
Can't afford man, you know. I say here then man. Alright, so I go down a bank then and you know, send a bike taxi with the money for the year and stuff. So.
Yeah, you know me have to look good. You know me have to represent them. You know, say no power, no local girl.
It's easy, you know man. So,
But what me I say is,
you eat already?
yeah, me dey cook something. But what me I say, can the girl know, you know, as you should know.
Problem.
Yeah. I feel pretty much myself that people and something, but don't worry yourself.
Alright, so I go down a bank then and you can get something. So later here.
Yeah man. Yeah, give me a hug now.
Easy, you know man. Alright, there.
Yeah man.
Go over here and come like their family here, man. Rachel. Oh, go on.
Then,
I have something carry for you, you know. You want to carry up and... Hold it. You papa and buy pampers.
for me blessing.
What me?
$500. You can $500 can buy Pampers.
Me ask you a question. You're lucky so me carry money come give you, know, cause you're going like things are going. Me ain't have to carry none come give you, know. Cause me tell you to tell us, say, yo, you want a pitney, me never want a pitney.
You see if me never have no money, would I give it back. Come out of me yard and come go on here. Come out! Me say go on! Alright.
You leave your place, you know, man. But watch you know, no look back for no money from me. You know, cause man come with good heart. And me give you $500 to make up and buy pampers. You know, take it cause you know say nothing now go on.
I fear Pitney. Not because I me the access to Pitney, but I fear him too. But go on.
You good enough later.
Remember me tell you.
Yo, matter of fact, you know, for the weekend, more me pitney, you know.
I know that can't take him.
When they come here, you know, just make sure. How you go?
You can shop me, I go.
I'm gonna get the piece of food though. I want 30 pack, you know.
You say? Yeah, man.
So you say today or day here?
Yeah, me do me here. Me call the girl and me like come
So
get
$50
it.
and 100 in this, so just
Yeah, man.
what do you do?
Yeah, man. I don't listen me, I go now. I come.
Come on then. But you don't know what going on?
What?
You don't know some link Rachel and so long.
Mm-hmm.
And you know through me I come from bank and you tell me say yo, I can't take care of pitney. Me could give her 5 bills in her hand, you know. And you want to hear she a go on and run me out her yard.
So what she a go on so
And
far?
I tell me say yo, if 5 bills can mind pitney and so.
Yeah.
I say I go on you know.
5 bills can buy 5 Pampers. Should they breastfeed the baby no one?
Are you make me go down there and come in and go down there now?
So how she so bright?
Yo, me I'll tell my mind say yo, it's a weekend, I want my pitney.
Take your pitney, me take care right.
I want my pitney is me I carry my coat.
So she not have man, she not work.
Yo, take him off your mind. I shop say I go.
Yeah,
Come
come
on.
on.
Why? I don't know what me I go do. What me I go do for God. What me I go do. What me I go do. My mother talk to me and me no hear. I'm go put myself in a picnic time me down. Me nah no work. What me I go do. Me can't even go nowhere. Why I tell you. If I never want thing I told me love you boy and if I never want thing I just go over there go chop him up. Just chop up him. Right, let me just take a doors off and buy one craving. No sir. I what kind of dream this year? No. No sir. Shakaberry. We have to look over there right now. No sir, this is a dream over. I wish it. Shakaberry! Shakaberry!
Oi!
Girl, come here. Come, I don't know what I did this. Me just get it out.
What do you?
Girl, come here. Slang yourself.
I want.
Me just dream say. You have a baby father there. Yeah. I'm here say some dream no one straight, but this one here look familiar. And I see him close them in. I want this man. No sir. All of this here talk my little brain, you know.
Girl. How long know me and your friend?
Girl, 6 years.
Right. Me ever do nothing to hurt you? Me ever do nothing to harm you?
No, but me I wonder some dream no walk straight from me little me I hear this here. And the one you turn me up right now.
Girl, you're stressed and you're depressed, that's why you want so. Your dream say me and your baby father day.
Yes.
Girl, that foolishness
And
that.
my dream say I take when me pitney.
Me take where you
Yeah, I'm go on different island. Me don't know what this.
What me coulda do with Pitney you know? Jesus, please. No, sir.
Anyways, you know see puppy dance from morning.
Girl, I last time I see Papa Dan, I must say last month when he come and ask me for you.
You don't know, say, other day in care was $500 come give me. But how much me fi take you and buy Pampers with it?
What kind of dirty boy? $500 can buy Pampers?
Ah, yeah, you know, my breast them tender. And me no want to pick the penny, so I feed him again. If he can't come money come me for buy feeding, he might drink water or black tea.
Girl, the boy need to serious up. $500 can buy Pampers. $500 can do nothing. So if you do that,
Make him cock up there. Anyways, I dream alone me I talk about. Me, you know some me you can't me I go to church one Sunday.
girl, me and you we gotta do anything. Me and your friend.
Me don't know what happened to my head right
Girl,
now. I
cheers
feel like
to
me
so.
am mad.
But somebody I take your man and you need to find out how.
Right now, you know, I might not tempt me, might not, me see now I look at me might not tempt me, say, me feel go up here, come chop up it, boy.
No, but not chopping you. Like you say, you know, say you have a baby that the pit you
And any girl me ever see with him, dead.
Girl, as me say, somebody I take your man and you need to go find out who.
Alright, so I say, can I help me search and know who?
Girl, me help you. What you mean? What kind of question that me help you beat the girl to? Where baby there?
You know what I'm saying, my grandmother same way.
Oh God, she must have in custody, you know, she miserable and tan but answer.
Right now, I don't even know what to do. Me stress out.
God. Calm down, girl. You know, say me there for you. Come on in the house. Come in down. Because you look stressed. Yo, Puppy Dan. Brother, come here right now. Brother, just forward. Fire there, brother. Fire there. Hurry up, brother. Fire there and I play fire light to the place, brother. Hurry up, and come. Hurry up, brother. Hurry up.
Wagwan.
Brother, sit. You know what I say? Girl, come here. The kid say you can't make you find out, you know, brother. Girl say dreams in your yard, they know say dream and not see and not easy something, brother. You go there sleep, you know, brother, because I tell you say I'm stressed out, you know. Right now, I feel bad in myself, you know, brother. But brother, I can't make sure when I get the whole line money, you see me?
So where you go do then?
Me when me out there, I say you go for the pick, right now, if you take it, pick me and run with the pick, brother.
So you pick in there too?
No, you need to pick me and grandmother, so me, you could go check him and when he see me, I can't make him say we are the kid. I tell you, she will have to go and see you. So guess what? So I better tell him. So tomorrow morning, you see me? Tomorrow morning, you link me up and go down the car.
Early morning.
In that sleeping, I don't want to wake up and see you.
So look at that. We'll do something quick now.
Yeah, I'm doing what you're doing. And you don't mess up. We don't want to wake him up.
Can't grow on that sound.
Come on, quick, sit the fast.
Cool. Jacka with the berry. Oh, boy.
Yes, sir.
Boy, no wake up late. So, yes, you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Come on now. Oh, man.
Wow.
How are you? I do it him.
Girl, I you me a call check and see him on the way. How are you?
Me just come up on me.
My girl, I'm a picnic more. I'm in a chatting with you. You see me? I say, watch it.
Oi!
Hey,
No.
no bother with the girl. Listen.
Hey!
Listen.
My girl, I'm a picnic.
What you I do over me yard to with him?
Girl, are you me come to? Now you me a come check?
I'm a picnic there.
And the
Hello,
grandmother.
hello.
Yo, come on.
You can't go inside woman yard, brother.
What I tell him to come and find me come
I me a say,
Yo, me I go for
you
my
idiot, brother, man, what you do, man? Girl, just give, listen to me, I say no. Come here.
Why I tell you no?
Listen.
The devil strong. Come out of me yard.
Listen to me now. Listen,
want like a fear
happy nice now. Let me
Now you're
talk.
pick me alone in a girl.
Yeah, this is a problem, yeah, baby.
I make blood running at this man.
Nobody make no blood run.
Why? The boy is sick enough.
Yo, come in, man.
How him feel like?
Listen, let's give him 1 week with the baby. 1 week. Mama say I feel picnic we not take you can't take off responsibility of it. So he when he take him, he will provide for him. Just give him 1 week with the baby, man.
You know, so me I look funny, you know, so
Yeah, girl. Give him 1 week with the picnic.
and one thing make me I go give you my picnic. And that because me not have money up here. And me no want to suffer like me no want when me go through, she go through.
Exactly. Make sure
So
you
that
take
the
care
only
of it.
thing
You
make
know.
me I give me picnic. So come take it and go on out of me
But
yard.
me want to see baby first. When they come out, mommy no worry me no.
From you have a baby, I first me ever come ask the baby, you know. And you try bad me up.
Me I go look for people. You can't have a conversation one on one.
I'll be right next time.
That man living there.
Me are you there?
So me step up in the house and you push me up.
I'm going to my house and me are you Billy?
Okay, something man, you move like a shakaberry gone on this. No, you me say, you know.
You know, say I true still. But honestly to God, I don't want to have nothing to do with you again. So you know where do? Take your little sweetie stick and come out of me yard. Come, go on.
One like you can't style me, you know.
Okay, look at some. You look what? You know where you take this sweet man.
Pretty like a rose.
Watch out. Hi baby Lisa.
Hey, see the guy.
Oh my God.
Hey, baby. You cute, man. You feel my mother. So,
Nothing.
you good?
Yeah.
The father said I come feel me now.
So in there, how you not see?
No, no, no.
Papa.
Wow.
There.
See, uncle, you know.
I go on here about there now.
Big up man, big up, you know.
So, you say you look boss something. If you can't look boss something, you give me some now.
Yeah, go there.
Do it, man, and give me some.
Alright.
Yeah, wait. Go on,
Hey,
wait.
baby, hold on.
Yes, daddy.
Got it?
We are good on your sister, you know. You hear? Ah.
Both him a come bad up, both him want pitney. Pitney. All you want Shakaberry, me not too trust him, you know. I'm a friend, but me not too trust her. Take my mind off of them. Come go look for me pitney, because I'm more important to me. Travis, oi! Travis! You know what Christiana me come for, where baby? Oh, Christiana, she me come for, you know.
You know, so Shakaberry does come all ago and say, come pick and say up there, just come all ago. You know see him?
What? Shakaberry?
Yeah.
Come for my beating?
Yeah. And say, come up there.
Me no see Shakaberry.
So, in turn, just come right there and say, I cook little food and he say, you want some too.
How many day?
And he say, up there, I come.
Jesus Christ. Me a go, alright, me a go link her. Cause
Alright.
a good girl still, you know, but me not too trust her from what you hear.
Me not trust you, me.
Alright,
Yeah, man, I say a thing.
for you.
Jesus Christ.
Hello, yeah, come Jesus, yes, sir. Jesus,
Girl.
Jesus, I don't know where you saw me pitney. Oh God.
Girl, I have to tell her.
Me say why me
Calm
pick
down now.
me not calm down. You can't tell me about calm down.
Girl, me left the baby on the bed. You say me I go drink some water.
Oh, so up your yard?
Yeah, up on my yard.
You up there?
Yeah.
Can't come and give me pick me. One pick me.
Come on.
Me a come. Make sure some stop. Just tell me come give me pick me.
Listen,
Me
number.
say, Mom pick me. You say that for me pick me.
Yeah, you're
When
right.
you come in your yard, come do just let me get my pick me. I'll give me done, you know.
Girl, just
me
listen
say,
now.
no, but me your friendship match up when me pick me.
Girl,
You
listen.
say in your house, go film, come from.
Alright, listen.
Me I listen
Me
to
there
you.
here. You say me I'll drink some water.
Say in there.
When me get up back, me baby gone. Me never baby day.
My pick again.
Girl, baby gone.
Jesus, God.
Hey!
Pick me. Gone. When gone?
Me no know when gone. Me no know who thief. Remember say that thief with the hard round you say, you know. Girl, get up. Jesus. Ooh, girl. Calm down. Calm down, just calm. Calm down. Get up. Get up.
Make sure me get my face when I mash up your face.
You're not gonna mash up nobody.
Me say go on me pick me.
Get up after you. Get up.
Hey.
Just get up,
Oh
no.
God. Yeah. You know what, let me have something to tell you. My friend Shakaberry. Me say girl take my baby and gone. I know me can't find my baby and me not see her over a week now. Me not see her either. And me not see the boy. Right now me stressed out, brother. Anytime I hold the girl that she go pay for what she do. Yo, come link me. Yeah man, me there on a yard. You know some I live in the same place again? Yeah, cause from my baby did miss so me move. Alright. Call, yeah, tap a taxi out and Nampel right there at Cash Pot shop. Alright. Call me when you reach out there and me come meet you. Alright.
And when me not see her something, you know, call look for your baby or nothing.
Why, she didn't even know me stressed out, you know.
Well, me know say you don't have no money I think to take care of your baby, you know, but here and now, no, you know say they post the baby on Instagram.
Baby, what I see it?
Remember say my account private, you know, so we can choose who and who want to see it.
Okay, oh yeah, that's it.
Yes, so I say me post it, one white man, one rich white man, you know, say yo, saying that I want the baby to buy because I want it to work for him when they're older. So I say, remember say we young, none of we now work, so having a baby right now will hold you back or hold you back. And you don't know how things set up. So I say me that just give over a baby to you. Guess how much them a charge for the baby to them a take for him?
How much?
46 million.
Oh my.
You know that can help you right now. Can build a house, buy your car, start a business. Because of one baby.
Can't even get you pregnant now. Alright, now.
Yeah, because you know so be rich after this, you know.
Right now I'm stressed still and this bring more stress, but
No need for stress. You're a man, you can have millions of baby.
can't go with that still then, man. Cause you know me love you, so me do anything for you.
Yeah, and I like say
Anything you say me, we do it, isn't me?
and I like say kill the baby or not, you know. Remember say you give it to people who happy. We not happy, you know. You understand? So
And we young too as you say, so
yeah.
can
Better
start
you
a
know,
life.
you can happy out in our future and something. So better we do the right thing we dey do.
Just call this man in and tell him say the baby father accept the deal.
Yeah, man, I'll call him when I go in. I don't have my phone for me, so I'm good on my call him.
Alright, so what you gonna do in idea?
Well, I go arrange up for the baby and something there and see if I can go up on the road and buy some food to come. And send it in a come.
Alright then, so.
So yeah, go down.
Yeah, you come over tonight?
Yeah, man, me call you or you can come to me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, later then. Rachel.
What?
Rachel.
Wait, we have to go, Chi. We all go. Go on, go my bed. Hurry, hurry. Go on, we have to go change. My blows there. My blows. Jesus.
Oh, you never feel something you have a fire where you live. I'm a picnic.
Girl, what you doing at my house?
Oh, you never feel something you know where you live.
And how you know say yes, me live?
Don't worry yourself. Where me picnic?
So you start me now.
Anytime I find a wallet, remember me tell them my dad.
Girl.
Where me picnic?
Girl, me tell her what.
Me don't want to hear what happened. Me want me picnic and me have nothing idea.
Girl.
9 months me carry me picnic find and I go, where me picnic there, girl?
Feel.
If you don't know which part my picnic there, you can help me look for my picnic.
So me tell us me all look for him. Me I go help you look for puppy and we have to kill puppy then.
Alright. Right now, I'm going to go trust you again. Bye.
Girl, you know you shouldn't make it come here so. Cause far we are come from you know
All
you
right.
can't do this.
Come link me over me yard tomorrow 2 o'clock.
Alright. B.
Yeah.
Can come up and now. Baby, stop me. Come here. Nearly just get catching up.
Okay, no man.
Oh my.
Showing gun.
Gone, man. You can't walk a front road, you know, you have to walk a back road.
That man I forgot doing
Yeah,
it.
man, you might look out for you, my brother.
You know, say a full time food just tell me mine and make you know so in a something. I can't bother for you hide it.
You idiot. You want to go to prison?
Prison for.
You want to go to jail for kidnapping? You say kidnap a baby, no brother. You don't
No.
want $46 million.
No, me I say, after everything a full time food tell him say 2 we dead together.
You're mad.
Can't bother for hide.
Where think she'll take me as? So that time they more suspect we know how I make police are watching and people are praying me. Remember saying how one gunman brother and no brother. And we don't want to kill we no brother.
We can't get gun if more so no.
Remember so that's why I move come here saying no?
We can't get gun if more so no matter them man. Come on, where say I go?
Remember we have to be careful, you know. We can't so careless. So you have to, when you call link, you have to know how you call link because people are telling you things. But come go and find her because you know so she can't pop up. I not even know how you know where we live.
No more go and lie down, you know, so.
Okay. So you're not afraid?
No.
Hey. Alright. Me look if you not come. Brother. Hey, you know easy, you know?
She good man, if anything I take back the bed.
So we are going with now.
Yeah, a little something nice. Let me have to take on that bed.
Hey, brother, I see, come. Yes. Rachel, Jesus, you say, Jesus is Lord God, I have to go through, you know, man.
Faith, money life to talk. Really want the money.
Hey, let me go call him, man. Call him, man, right now. Go call him for the house soon.
Alright.
And you sit down the food. When you cook rice or flour?
Rice.
Ah. Yes.
I'm very no baby there. What me baby there? I better say she no me baby there.
Don't go there.
Miss my baby. I wish we could have get to see her again. But any Oshakaberry have nothing to do with this. God see her know what me I go do to her. I hope you they just see her. Oh, thank you. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I think I'm so confused. Oh, Lord. Oh, who that? Who that?
Oh, go on now.
Me did tell her to sit down.
Nah, man, that no combo, man. Just come to talk to you, car.
Talk to me about what I'm picking. What I'm picking? You come and you have bread. What I'm
I
picking?
got a thing from me can't find a baby, me leave like eating, so me just take time and pick your bread. Just come to talk to you. Just
Come
look
on,
here.
come out of my house.
Just look here. Just come to talk to you.
Move friend from my face so me kick you
As I
away.
talk about
Me say move friend from me first kick you away.
and put on your baby and
Me say come out of my house.
So as a mother and
Me
father
say me
thing,
come
me
out,
just-
come Let me get up, you know, let me get up.
I'm
you
just
know.
come and
Me
talk to
say,
you.
no, me head not the right time. See me pick the towel, like me sleep with the all night. Don't make me get up, boy, me pick me and me pick them more.
I'm not stay over here with him. I'm not saying I'm going to go and sit down back. So when you take time to be.
Oh yeah? Sit down. Come. Get up.
Oh, so you leave with me? You leave with me, so?
Me say come out of your house, now come back. Oh no, yeah, I'm right to go yard.
Rachel. What are you eating?
I want the boy out back of me yard. And you want to give me killing put it there.
What's up? Oh, yeah, going so strong.
Come sit down, alright? I'm stressed out. Come let me talk.
Oh, what happened? So what happened?
Come sit down.
Oh, what happened?
You know what say? This same little dirty boy just come back at me yard. Come well come up in a chair
Yeah.
and eat bread.
So what am I doing here? You know how long I used to do with the dog there?
Well come up in a chair and eat bread. But how much say he can't find pitney either, so I pick him up pick bread from him.
I phone?
Me I say, I must see rabbit in big.
No, but he have in mind to come at your
I
yard.
say, and you never catch back him foot in my house. I stab him up.
What if you choke on him? Where?
Me I stab him up.
Why?
Go on.
What am I doing in your yard?
But anyways, I know that me depend enough.
Mhm.
What may I tell you? Between me and you, you still not see puppy there, eh?
No.
Alright, between me and you, a secret. My brother will come down here. But guess what? My brother want to look good thing. But me never want nobody to know. But as me say me and you come from so he might come. But you know say I'm gonna mash up puppy there. So make you behave so.
Nothing. You mean by mash up puppy then?
Puppy there not fit dead.
Dead.
Yeah?
For what?
What do you mean by for what? So make you behave so.
No, because this sound like a war you want cause.
So no
I mean, no
cause.
want to undo your girl.
When me picnic. If you can help me picnic, what me fi cause no war. Me not even let me picnic dead and still living.
Oh, me not think nothing day, baby.
Well, no want to see him for myself. Even if you don't want to give me back, let me see him one time. I bet he come look for me 1 week or 2 weeks.
Here, me have to go right now. Me just rest him if you rest on the fire.
So I move so fast.
Me have to go. You so come.
Something with the girl there, you know. Watch for me and her.
Alright, mama, look more.
Jesus
What do you?
Boy! Say, you know what say? I go for Rachel yard a while ago. Go cause problem.
What kind of problem?
In same calling gunman brother. You know that the boy, you know say that the boy they a bad boy. In gunman brother.
My girl, I'm not afraid of nobody, you know. Stop up, you know. So yes, she say.
In same calling brother, you know a bad boy when you kill off people people. You know say him
Oh, Rasta nigga there.
yeah, you know say him no fear nobody a brawl and they kill people.
You're not big war then. Yo, hold on, panic from me so far.
How we are go?
Yeah, good on there, yo. A big shit my send to me, you know.
Alright, do what you have to.
Just go on there, I'm going forward.
Alright, yeah.
Yo, don't move. You see whether or not you like it or not, you have to go like it. You see the pitney there? I go sell. I mean here you tell Shaka Berry about how your brother go do this and do. I'm gonna tell you this. Tell your brother say war is on. And cool on yourself to you. Because I don't want to do nothing in there. You see me? So just tell your brother say war is on. You hear that?
Sell my picnic.
Now give me no chatting. Just tell your brother say war is on.
Squeeze it, make sure it go no stick.
Don't need talking here. Just tell your brother.
No, me have to go to somebody first. Let me phone. Never catch a berry. Why? I something really called you from and buy look at me this morning from the phone. The boy puppy dad. I don't know if Shaka very in it too.
Yo, come, I can't linger here, so I come everything from me. Forward.
Alright.
Over there, say it down.
Yeah, man. Yes, so I have some moving too. You can't sit down now, man.
Say, boy, I'm going.
You know, say, sit down, let me talk to you. Since there, I have talk to Shaka Berry. But my friend, I tell you something I have, and she dey on the bed like she worried. But me I wonder if she up to something because I keep on hear people say them see when she give puppy than a baby and puppy than run away. But I go to her, she keep on deny it.
You know, it's still hang out on the down.
Yeah, man.
Yo, make me just go deal with it right now, man. So, come out, you know. Yo, don't move, you know. What you want to sell the baby? Stand up right there, man. Matter of fact, put on the baby now. Put on the baby right there, man. Feel like I'm gonna eat ya. You know yourself put on the baby right there, son. Put on the baby right there, man. Not thief for yo, me not play with people, you know. You hear me say? You know say I put man for put one for you. What puppy down there? What puppy down there?
Up less on your Wednesday.
Give me a baby. Look here.
Woo!
Yo, see baby, man. See baby, man. Hold on now. Don't move for yourself. I'm so come back here. Look at that. I'm so come back.
Boy, they have got dead in a dog. I'm send one bag of check to you.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the movie and I hope you guys learned a lesson from this movie, cause this is a life lesson movie, guys. You understand? We post life lesson things around here. Movies, not things, movies that persons are able to relate to. You understand me, guys? So I hope you know enjoy the movie and make sure to listen. You see, if you're not comment as yet, I need you right now to pause the video right now and make sure say you comment. And if you're not subscribed, make sure say you subscribe right now. And if you not like the video, make sure say you like the video right now. And if you now turn on your post notification bell, make sure so you turn on your post notification bell right now. And if you not share, make sure so you share the video right now. Because you don't want to keep this a nice movie to yourself. You want to share it to your friends and your families then. So they can have the nice laugh where you have and learn a lesson that you learned. Because maybe this lesson didn't do anything for you, but it can be a message to somebody else. So, make sure so you do the right thing. I don't know, say as a young black girl trying to do something, trying to create history, trying to, inspire and motivate others. That's the dream, that's the goal. You understand me, guys? So make sure so you do the right thing. And as you know, guys, as mentioned before in my previous videos, that I am trying to purchase a camera. You understand me, guys? Because I've been using my phone from me just start the movie. A long time I use my phone and shoot movie, guys. So you don't know, so your girl take up YouTube, and me promise, guys, say me take up YouTube as a permanent job. No part-time, a permanent job. So even if me do something else in the future, me I gonna make sure say every week or even every month me have a movie for uno. You understand me, guys? So me now gonna stop do my YouTube, because I realize so me have my YouTube fans out there who really love and appreciate me. We really love what me I do. And I really love and appreciate you guys for being here and being a part of the family. So guys, me I try to purchase a camera, because whenever me as I've explained in the previous videos, when me I try to use my phone and video, guys, me get storage full, phone overheat, me have to put it down and make it cool down. Bam, successfully me get to shoot the entire movie. When me start edit now, I'm ready to save the video can't save because it tell me say my storage full. Me have to make a sacrifice and delete almost everything off of my phone, so in order to make you save my video, because you guys come first more than most of the apps that we may have. I'm not only doing this because I want to be popular or because me can make money. I've always persons who know me From me build my channel long time, from me a little girl, I've always wanted to be a star. I've always wanted to be out there. I've always wanted to be known. I've always wanted to be recognized by people. Not only to be popular, but to be an inspiration and a motivation to others. So that others, persons like me, are persons who are going through worse than me, are able to know that better is out there. Hard work, well, moon is a hard work. Because sometimes when I work hard, I kiss other people ass and I make other people rich. But dedication can push you. And hard work in it, but you have to be careful how you work hard. If you are going to work hard, make you work hard for yourself. Don't work hard for nobody, because you only work hard to make a next man get rich. But only can get me pint. You understand me? So, it just show say, I've always wanted to be out there. You understand me? I always want to do something good where I can inspire and motivate others to make others know. So listen, no matter where they got you, never you give up. Once you put in the hard work and the dedication, and once you have ambition and a high self-esteem, and once you put yourself out there and be a go-getter, anything with the Lord is possible. And what is for you will be for you. And as all I want to know, long before me get none of them supporters here, all I want to know say the Richard Brown Films team and the Jamaican Nation make my dream come true. Because even though I do my local YouTube and make my local story time, and although, you know, me never did that. Nobody never really know me. Me only have my local Facebook people, them will subscribe to my YouTube channel and we watch couple 100 or little bit, not even 100, not even 50 people watch my video, and little bit of them will comment. And my friends them, because them, you know, them are good friend, they will comment, you know, but nobody never know me, to be honest. So all I who know say nobody never know me. And the Richard Brown Films team make all of that possible, make my dream come true. If I never them, me don't know, me that forget from my channel. Me don't know what they right now in our life, to be honest. So big up to the Richard Brown Films team, guys. So you don't know, they make my dream come true. Them push me, make me can create a YouTube channel, have a fan base out there who love and respect me, and I love and respect on the guys. I just want to say thank you for the support. So as me I say, guys, every little make a muckle. That I is saying when me hear growing up. So guys, anything wanna have, you can reach out to me from the number down below, and make sure say, no, make sure, and you know, you can send the little one to have me put that towards and purchase and buy my little camera. And I am going to say this, and I hope at the last time me I go say this, guys. I know that when you see me in a movie, and I know some like the movie them when me a post, and I know some is a loyal supporters. But guys, you see, if you not go donate, please guys, do not reach out. If you not go donate, if you not go help to buy the camera, do not reach out, guys. All of we are big people, all of we are deal with business, all of us are responsible people. We are persons who have responsibility. You reaching out to me, telling me that you always watch the movie, that doesn't make any sense. You can comment down below. The time when you take for you call me, and when you watch movie, guys, and somehow you comment, you can comment down below and tell me, say, guys, and tell me, say, hi Shakaberry, I've always watched your movie and I enjoyed it. You don't have to take me number, guys, and tell me, say, you watch the movie. Guys, me now look no friendship. I am a responsible adult. I am trying to build myself. I've always wanted to be a public YouTuber. I've always wanted to be a person that is out there. So you reaching out to me, telling me that you like the movies that I post, that is not going to help me purchase the camera. Me understand, sound excited to speak to a person when you see a movie, but think about it, guys. If random people are call you, and somehow, guys, when you not even send me a text message, when you call me, and me decline the call, and still a call same way. I am a working person. I am a responsible person. I do not have time to waste. So if you know, say, you can reach out to me for help and buy the camera, it makes no sense in reaching out. Me no want no now no pan here. Me nah look no man. Me nah look no friendship. So guys, if you can't donate, do not reach out to me, guys. It doesn't make any sense. A person, it's so like it was a kid, reached out to me and I was like, I got very angry because why are you calling me? Me I decline the call and you still a call same way and the person so good. I get to find out that you're a person that has a mental disorder and you have no form of intelligence. So you're going to act stupid. Guys, we all are human beings. We all are big people. So guys, if you do not help to purchase the camera, please do not reach out to me. Because not everybody who watch a movie can help to donate. We understand that because we are living in Jamaica. Jamaica doesn't really make money because the government don't give a damn about where we have to try to make ourselves things to ourselves. So me understand and everybody who can donate, but who can donate, let them reach out. When me soon you call me, how much a night when you call me, I decline the call and still a call back. I am going to be disrespectful because my mouth is a very feisty mouth. Guys, I love and respect you all. I really appreciate and love the support one you are giving, but please act like an adult. And if you're a child, act responsible. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. Peace.